world of nonprofit organizations, bylaws function as a constitution, providing structure and guidance. Let us talk about the importance and the process of adopting bylaws. But first, please subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. Did you know that there are nearly 1.5 million registered nonprofit organizations in the United States alone? And every single one of them operates under a specific set of bylaws. Bylaws serve as a legal document, dictating how an organization operates. They cover essential topics such as the size of the board, the roles and responsibilities of directors, procedures for meetings and elections, and even conflict resolution processes. Just as the U.S. Constitution guides the country, bylaws guide an organization. They create a framework to ensure smooth operations, thereby allowing organizations to focus on their mission rather than the procedural nuances.
Hooray!
Adopting bylaws is not merely a formality. The process is instrumental in setting the tone and culture of the organization. It's a pivotal point in an organization's life cycle. Adopting bylaws isn't a one-size-fits-all process. Every organization has different needs and purposes, which should be reflected in their bylaws. Before drafting the bylaws, it's crucial to have an understanding of the organization's mission, vision, and values. A board of directors typically takes the lead in this process. Surprisingly, according to a study, nearly 62% of nonprofit organizations reported amending their bylaws at least once every 5 years. This highlights the importance of regularly reviewing and updating the bylaws to ensure they stay relevant to the organization's needs and legal requirements. Once the bylaws are drafted, the board reviews and discusses each point. Legal advice is often sought to ensure the bylaws comply with federal, state, and local laws. When the board is satisfied, the bylaws are put to a vote. A majority of the board typically must agree on the bylaws for them to be adopted. Adopting bylaws is an exciting step in an organization's journey. It's a time to define who you are as an organization, what you stand for, and how you will operate. So remember, bylaws aren't just about compliance. They're about creating a solid foundation for your organization's future. The key is to craft and adopt bylaws that truly reflect your organization's mission and values. If you want to learn more about the process of adopting bylaws, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what do you think about the adoption of bylaws? Does it make sense why well over 1 million organizations use them? Leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Please also don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.